In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card credits in QuickBooks Online. When you receive a credit back to your credit card, maybe for a returned item or a refund from a vendor, you want to record it properly so your expenses and credit card balance stay accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through creating a credit card credit in QuickBooks Online and explain what each field actually means, so you're not just clicking buttons but understanding what's happening behind the scenes. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the plus new button. Go ahead and click that. This is where you create most types of transactions, including invoices, expenses, and in this case, a credit card credit. Once the menu opens, look under the column labeled Suppliers or Vendors, depending on your version of QuickBooks. From that list, choose Credit Card Credit. This is the specific form designed to record money being credited back to your credit card instead of money going out. On the credit card credit screen, begin in the Payee field. This is where you choose the vendor who issued the credit, for example, the store or service provider that processed your refund. Selecting the correct vendor keeps your records organized and lets you see a clear history of purchases and credits with that company. Next, move to the Bank/Credit Account dropdown. Here, choose the specific credit card account that received the credit. If you have multiple cards set up in QuickBooks, make sure you pick the exact one that shows this refund on your statement. This ensures your credit card register and reconciliation will match the real-world statement from your bank. Now enter the payment date. This should match the date the credit appears on your credit card statement, not necessarily the date you requested the refund. Using the statement date helps your reconciliation process go smoothly at month end. Scroll down to the Category Details section. In the Category column, select the same expense account that you used for the original purchase. For example, if the original charge was coded to office supplies, you should choose office supplies here as well. This reverses part or all of that expense, so your reports accurately reflect what you actually spent after the refund. In the Amount field, type the amount of the credit exactly as it appears on your credit card statement. Double-check that you're entering the credit value, not the original purchase total. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will now record that credit and adjust your credit card balance and related expenses accordingly.